Boone, North Carolina has its share of visitors, courtesy of a very popular college and tourism that benefits from the beauty and wonder of the mountains. Today, the Horton Hotel is part of that collective, offering a respite to weary travelers, thanks in part to its namesake and lover of all things Boone, Mr. Henry W. Horton.
He was the gentleman who built this building back in the 1920s. He was very big into the tourism industry in Boone and kind of helped promote it a whole bunch.
As tribute to the legacy of Mr. Horton, he remains an important part of this building, a boutique hotel since 2019.
He had a love and passion for horses, so we took this picture of him and did it in the style of John Lennon's Doodles, and that's how we came up with our little insignia guy.
The hotel is located on popular King Street in downtown Boone with 15 guest rooms and a unique interior fitting for a mountain retreat.
Walking in the lobby, I was like, "Oh, this is nice."
Yeah, I don't think there are any spots that, have the same vibe as the Horton at all.
Colorful, a different atmosphere than your cookie cutter chain hotels.
This artistic, boutique, lovely, comfortable, this beautiful hotel.
Every room is unique to the Horton. They're not all decorated exactly the same. They do have a lot of the same features and furnishings to them. In our caverns level, which is the lower level, we have 5 guest rooms down there. Those are our pet-friendly rooms. They all have slate tile floors to them. A lot of them are windowless, so we do call them our serenity rooms because you can get the best night's sleep because there's no light intruding. We do have 1 guest room here on the lobby level that is our ADA accessible room for as well. Again, that one is carpeted. It has a window to it. You can see a view of Howard Street. And then we have what we call the overlook, which is our 2nd floor. All of those rooms have hardwood floors to them. They have subway tile bathrooms in them with glass shower doors on them as well. And then we have the 3rd floor, which we call the Peaks. And we have 2 suites up there that have floor-to-ceiling windows of King Street.
The Horton also has 2 watering holes, the main level lounge bar, and another with quite a view.
We're really just looking online for stuff to do around here. We saw a rooftop bar and figured we'd come check it out and see what it was about.
Great little place, beautiful weather, mountains.
You can basically see all of downtown Boone plus Howard's Knob.
Those views often entice guests to venture out a bit, something the hotel is more than happy to help plan.
We have a lot of partnerships with some of the community members as well, and we offer experiences where they can go to Grandfather Mountain, and we'll make sure that they have tickets and that they have snacks to bring with them. We have one with River Girl Fishing where they can do a kayak trip, and again, we make sure that they have beers to take with them down the road as well as snacks and things like that. We do offer a lot of different kind of experiences that guests can add on to their reservation. We're doing one with App Theater where they can do a movie night where we'll include popcorn and snacks and drinks for them and then tickets to a show as well.
Mr. Horton knew putting his building in the middle of town would be good for tourism, and guests of the Horton today couldn't agree more.
Yes, it's right on the main street. It's close to everything.
The sports stadiums are closed, the shopping is closed, the breweries are closed, ice cream stores are closed.
You can come into town, get checked in, park your car in our parking lot, and never have to get back into it again unless you want to. Everything is within reach.
The Horton Hotel is located at 611 West King Street in Boone. They're open year-round. For more information, give them a call or visit them online at thehorton.com.